Look where we are, guys. What up, Raffalitos? Welcome back to my channel. I want to bring you an update on this building, Assuria Headquarters. But look where we are. We're at the St. George's School. Remember last time I was in this neck of the woods, there was a fire. This school has been completely gutted, destroyed. And I don't know what they plan to do there, but their students have had to find another place to go to school. But look at this. This is the new Assuria Insurance Company headquarters. And it's closer to completion. Steel building, steel frame. Some interesting exclusions. See what it looks like. So this is what it's going to look like in the end. Coming soon, Assuria new headquarters. This is what it looks like now. Still putting on the finishing touches to the outside. We're still putting skin on. There it is. I think it's what, 7 floors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors at the top. Set of windows is floor number 6, so it's 6 floors. And this is an empty lot. I don't know if they're going to have parking here, but it's a insurance company, car insurance company that has a lot of vehicles going in and out. The new Assuria building, guys. There's the one of the workers saying hi, saying hello, waving to you. They're putting on a skin which looks like kind of aluminum siding, facing, and it's giving it a neat finish. The ground floor seems to be open, mostly open, except for the entrances of the staircases. And looks as if they're going to be offices on the second, third, fourth, fifth floors. And it looks like it might be completed in another few months. I'm going to bring you further update on this once it's completed. Assuria's new headquarters here in Georgetown, Guyana. We said they are located in the next block, and across the street is the St. George's Cathedral in downtown Georgetown. And yes, across the street from that is the fire, the new Assuria building. Want to see more content like this? Please like and subscribe. In the comments below, tell me what you think about this design. It looks different, at least better than what we've been accustomed to being built here in Georgetown, Guyana. These boxes, these concrete boxes, this looks much more like a well-designed building. Give me your comments below. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. Later!